I'm here with the next video, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and comment and like and share, and don't forget to hit the bell if you want more interesting video from me. Alright, so what am I doing today? I'm going to unbox a makeup. Well, it's slashing makeup. I'm supposed to have makeup brush in there, and I'm going to teach my students how to do lash extension, the fusion lash, fusion lash. I don't know if I sound like I said locks, but fusion lash. So what I'm going to unbox it with you. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't used a mannequin head to do this work, not ever, but I normally use real people. So it's a work in the park anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it. As you can see, I love you guys so much. I'm opening it with you, so as I don't know if I get everything that I asked for, and how is it, and am I going to like it. So I guess you'll see my reaction. I already hate the packaging, but I guess that's how it comes. I don't see any little nice bag in there. No? At least I get something first. Oh my god, I'm such a child. Anyway, okay. Alright then, it said made in China. Okay guys, we can. I like gifts, okay? So if you want to send me gifts, my address is there. I love gifts. I love to open up things. Oh, I really don't like the packaging to some reviews that I see where people get stuff. Look how they just throw down the things in the box. You know, I thought it would be like in a nice little box with different compartments, even same cardboard but compartments. But it's okay. Alright, so okay, and this is the eyelash cleanser. Okay, and this is what we use to clean up the eyelash. Like for instance, when you setting up, we use this to prep the eyelash. This just I guess this give me 2. I can also use the cotton swab to do that too. So this is 2. And then I have the tape, so I can use the tape to tape down the eye from getting. And these are the tweezers, so you know you have to have the, and they are professional tweezers. See, they're the professional tweezers. Even though you have different brands, I have different set that I'll use for myself, but yeah, I can work with this. And then you have the comb, so you use it to comb. And the excited part, I so want to see the head because I want to know how durable it is. And it feels so good. Oh my, it feels so good. And I actually love it, yes. And I like the fact that, okay, when I'm teaching them, I can put it down on the table. I don't have to, you know, I can just put it, let everybody sit around a table and, yeah, do it. And what else come in there? Okay, so what they did, they didn't pack the stuff them in the bag. So they did have a bag where you can pack after. Because I was wondering why they just put around like that. And then now, we have here, this will help us with the guide. So they send guides that we can use. This will help us with the guide. And then we're supposed to have the lash that we can work with. So we have lash we can work with. Only one come in there. And then we actually now have the fusion lash. So I don't I don't like this one. This one is definitely not a fusion lash. Well, it's not strand by strand, so don't get me wrong. Right, these are, I don't use these are the one that you would just take out and put in, and I guess they just put it there as maybe a gift. This is the tree that you put one time. I don't know if you understand, but yeah, but these are actually the lash that I'll be using. And then this is where you use to put the glue on. This helps. And I have a lot more eye comb in there, and this will help me to hold the container for the glue. So you just put it on your finger, right, and you just put the glue inside there, so it's easy to use. Just put it on the finger, right, so 2 comes in there. And we have more here and the scissors. So I hope you enjoy my unboxing. As I said, I'm surprised because of the things that comes in it. Normally I buy them separate, so to buy the kit, I'm blown away. It's really I'm really pleased with it. I have no problem. So now I'm going to go to this is supposed to be some makeup brush. I'm just gonna rip it open. Wow, and it's coming a nice little pack. Okay, can at least carry it in. Nice bag, see? And ziploc bag. I can use it to store stuff. Guys, I show you the shop. I need so much space because this place is a little bit smaller. So I need a lot of space, like cupboards and stuff. Wow, so wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is nice. I love this. Yes, I love this. The only thing I don't like with it, I'm going to have to keep this brush maybe for myself, because it doesn't come with any name on it. So to teach students with it, they might forget, because I thought that they would name the brush, but they don't. So I would have to use this set for my, like when I have my customers, I will just use it on them. Because what happened, when teaching students, it's good to know, let them know the name, and you telling them, they'll forget. So I like to have the name, so I can say, pass me the creases brush, pass me a liner brush, or pass me an eyeshadow brush. So definitely I'm going to have to get more with the names on it, because I've decided when I'm teaching makeup, I want to get my own products to teach them, because sometimes they don't bring products for all shade skin, and you just teach them with the one that they got, and they leave not knowing a lot. So when I have a lot of makeups, I can show them an all type skin, and then they will get a full course. So I haven't been doing makeup recently because of my lighting and good camera and my channel. So I didn't want to put up anything shabby, and even myself, I don't really do makeup on myself. I just put on a little thing here and that's it. But I can do makeup. And if you notice, even if I put powder on my face and so forth, you don't see me in any lash or anything like that. But stay tuned. But I want to do some tutorial on makeup. So I want to do tutorial on how to do lash extension. I'm wondering if it's going to have a little bit of I don't know, any issue with people going there. I'm also having my own lash line coming out, Lash Babe. It's already done. It's just for the shipment to come to me and for me to put them up on the alicare.com site. So always find me on Instagram. And as I said, you will see me do a lot more unboxing of a lot of makeup stuff, because it's a makeup time on my channel. Yes. So thank you so much. And did you know that I can use this to do some makeup on it for the students? Yes, I can teach them to join the eyeline on it and so forth. Yeah, I can do that. So yes, thank you for watching. I'll subscribe.